Hello everyone. Today my agenda is that how to uninstall program in Windows 10. Let's start. And here showing search box. In the search box we search here control panel showing here the first one option, and click on this control panel. Showing here a control panel window. In this control panel window showing here uninstall a program, and click on this particular link showing here program list, and in this program list showing here install program in my laptop, and we can sorting program based on the date, installation date. We can also like that here click, and we can also filtering based on size and also version and publisher, and we can customize list here depend on the different sorting. Suppose that I want to uninstall the some program in my laptop, and just like I want to uninstall uh, this software ice cream screen recorder version 5.996. I want to uninstall this particular software, and suppose that I want to uninstall this ice cream screen recorder version, and double click on this particular file, and just asking do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, and click here yes. And are you sure you want to completely remove ice cream screen recorder and all of its component, and click here yes. And next, software uninstalling started now. Ice cream screen recorder was successfully removed from your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and also like this video, and also share this particular video also.